G'day. So I thought we'd give this fella a little try on the lathe. Uh, Body's made turned this way, head of course this way, and a lot of guys making this on YouTube at the moment, so I thought I'd give it a go. Richard Ratton, shout out to him. I've been watching his videos on the skew chisel, and this takes a fair bit of use of the skew chisel, so it's good practice. So further ado, let's get the lathe going and chuck this fella on there. Cheers, guys. So the timber I'm using is a bit of birch from the back of the property. Lobbed off a little bit of the branch there. It's extremely wet wood. Now this video is going to be largely a little less talking from me and more of the watching. I've sped up parts that I thought would take a little bit more time, and those slowed down so you can see how the different chisels that are being used here. I use a 1-inch skew chisel, a Hercules carbide cutter, and a 1/2-inch spindle gouge with a 40-degree grind. All of these chisels are used on this particular project, and it's good practice. So sit back and chillax, and I'll catch up with you towards the end of the video here. So as you see now, all the parts of the cat has been turned, and the assembly is pretty well straightforward. I used some plastic eyes from Amazon, and yeah, it all just CA glues together. I've got some still pictures at the end of the video here, and you can see the end result. Quite pleased in the practice really of the different chisels here. Hopefully to see you in the next video next week. Glad to have you aboard, guys. Cheers.